Imagine finding the perfect home and location. Well, we've just about done it right here in Belmont. I'm Gabby McEwen from Remax United Vision. This home is 6 kilometres to the water and 12 kilometres to Brisbane CBD. It's on 658 square metres, close to the gateway and surrounded by quality homes. This home was built in 2000. It's only 16 years old and immaculate. Painted last week with a recent pest and building report. This offers what everybody wants and seldom gets. It's low set, ideal for family living on one level and for the over 50s who worry about their knees. It has 2 living areas separated by a kitchen and dining options. There's 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a main with an ensuite. There's even room for a pool. The outdoor living is my favourite area. There's a double garage and side access through a remote secure gate for boats and other toys. This home absolutely ticks all the boxes, and I'll see you at our next open home.